Bulkhead, no holes, no damage, no missing rivets. Side of my trailer, again, no holes, no damage, no missing rivets. If you look up there, you're gonna see an amber color light. It tells me my commercial vehicle is 13 foot, 6 inches in height. The side of my trailer, no holes, no damage, no missing rivets. I have DOT tape. If there's space in between, it's at 50%. Down here would be my trailer cross members. Not bent, not cracked, not broken, not missing. I have a wooden floor on my trailer. No holes. This is my landing gear. It's my frame, my leg, my shoe. This is my crank handle. So, I'm going to move my vehicle. I got to raise my leg all the way up and secure my crank handle. Now, on the side of my trailer is my amber color side marker light. It has 3 functions: turn signal, 4-way flasher, marker light. Down here, now remember, we use a stick, so you point like this, because if my head goes underneath here to point something out, my test is over. So use the stick. There's my air lines and electrical lines. No audible leaks, no wire showing, no corrosion. The one with the holes in it is my slide rail. Not bent, not cracked, not broken. There's my locking pin, fully locked position. That's my slide frame connected to my spring hanger. Behind it is my control arm. If you notice, there's a silver button here. That's my tandem release button. So when I pull it, the pin on the slide rail pops in, and now I can move the weight back and forth on my tires. Now if you look on this side, you're going to see my spring hanger. On the other side, there's my torque arm. I see a shock absorber, properly mounted, secure, rubber gaskets top and bottom, not leaking hydraulic fluid. And behind it would be my airbag, properly mounted, secure, no cuts, no audible leaks. From there I talk about brakes. There's my brake hoses, no cuts, no damage, no audible leaks. Attached to my brake chamber, no cut, no damage, no audible leaks. I have a push rod and slack adjuster. How do I test it? Secure my vehicle, key in pocket, chuck my wheels, go back, release my brakes, come back, and pull on it should be no more than 1 inch. Bigger than 1 inch, I'm out of adjustment. Brake pad material, 1/4 inch, no oil, no water. Brake drum, not cracked, not damaged. From brakes, we go to tire. Always the last tire. Yes, it can be recapped. My thread depth is 232. No nails, no glass, no bubbles, no cuts. Mounted to my rim with no gap. This happens to be a steel rim. So no dents, no damage, no illegal welding. There's my lug nut. My missing one, out of service. How do I know it's loose? Steel, I would see rust trail like this is rust, but it'll be coming off the lug nut. If it's aluminium or aluminum, you'll see shiny powder or shiny threads. This is my axle hub unit. All bolts are in place. 3/4 weight filled with heavyweight 80 oil. Most importantly, not leaking. Leaks onto my brakes, brake failure. Hot enough for my tire, start my tire on fire. Air valve, cap present, use an air gauge, 100 psi. Now clearances, from the cab to the trailer, 3 to 4 feet. From the tires to the landing gear, 3 to 4 feet. From my inner frame to my tire, 5 to 6 inches. Between my 2 rubber tires, 5 inches. Between my 2 rims, 3 inches. Between the top of my trailer and my tire, 5 to 6 inches. Between the tire and the mud flap in the ground, 5 to 6 inches. Mud flap, properly mounted, secure. No missing hardware, not hanging, not torn, not damaged. ABS light comes on when I first start my vehicle, shuts off after 90 seconds, working properly. My anti-lock brake system, if the light stays on, I need to go see a mechanic. This is my marker light, red in color, one purpose, marker light only. Back to my trailer. Remember, always the driver's side. We start from the top. I see 5 marker lights, red in color, 3 in the middle are my ID lights, telling me my commercial vehicle is 8 foot wide. The 2 on the end are my clearance lights, telling me my commercial vehicle is 13 foot, 6 inches in height. These are swing doors. No holes, no damage, no missing hardware.